So I noticed that a few people have requested to have a SmartBoard downloaded on their devices, and I thought I would share this with you. You already have it. If you go into your Google Waffle, which you know you can move around, right? But if you scroll down all the way, you will see this right here. You have the Smart Learning Suite. And when you log in, you can make a decision as to whether or not you want to log in via Google or via your Outlook. So it kind of depends where you stored most of your stuff. So I pick Google because I have most of my stuff for lesson plans in Google. If you're interested in learning more about it and all of the super cool stuff it can now do that they've upgraded the system, there is online training videos available right here, and I'll drop that into the email as well. And you can try out and integrate all the stuff that you already have in Google Drive, or build all kinds of new lessons that are more interactive for kids to use.